Welcome to Neja Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss Class 11 Physics JEE Main NEET Laws of Motion. Problems on motion of bodies connected by string pulley system. Part 1. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Let us go to the first question. Two identical blocks, each of mass m, are tied to the ends of a string and the string is laid over a smooth fixed pulley. Initially, the masses are held at rest at the same level. What fraction of the mass must be removed from one block and added to the other so that it has an acceleration of 1/5 of the acceleration due to gravity? Here we have to calculate fraction of mass must be removed from one block and added to the other. Here given acceleration a is equals to 1/5 of acceleration due to gravity. See, this is now we are taking a pulley and mass m are tied to the ends of this string. Here one block, suppose here this containing mass m2 is equals to capital M minus small m, and another identical block is laid over a smooth fixed pulley, and this is mass small m1 is equals to capital M plus m. A is equals to, now let us go to the solution. A is equals to 1/5 of G. Mass removed from second block is m and is added to the first block. Mass removed from second block is m and added to the and is added to first block. So acceleration of the system A is equals to acceleration of system A is equals to m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2 of G. So given A is equals to G by 5, that is equals to, now substituting m1 nothing but m plus m and minus of m2 nothing but m minus m by m1 nothing but m plus m and plus m2 nothing but m minus m of G. G gets cancels and 1/5 is equals to, here m plus m minus m, here minus plus m, this m and minus m are gets cancels, the remaining one is 2m by, here also m plus m, here plus m, here plus into minus, these are gets cancels and the remaining is 2m, here also 2 gets cancels, so that implies small m by M is equals to 1 by 5. Here also capital M. Here small m will cancel. So M by capital M is equals to 1 by 5 we are getting. So 2 capital M minus small m is equals to 5m. Now fraction of this up to here only. 1 by 5 is equals to small, therefore m by m is equals to 1 by 5. This is final answer. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. In the figure, a smooth pulley of negligible weight is suspended by a spring balance. Weights of 1 kilogram and 5 kilogram are attached to the opposite ends of a string passing over the pulley and move with an acceleration due to gravity. During their motion, the spring balance reads a weight of, here we have to calculate the reading of the spring balance. Okay, now let us go to the solution. See the figure here, taking two masses, that is 5 kilogram and 1 kilogram weights are attached to the spring balance by a smooth pulley of negligible weight is suspended by a spring balance. Okay, now let us go to the solution. Reading of spring balance is equals to upthrust on the pulley. Reading of spring balance is equals to upthrust on the pulley. So upthrust, that is F thrust is equals to 4m1 m2 g by m1 plus m2. Now substituting values, F thrust is equals to 4 into 5 into 1 into g 10, 5 plus 1, 4 5s are 20, 20 into 10 by 6. So that is equals to 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 2 3s are 6. So 25 is 100 by 3 newtons. So therefore F thrust is equals to 100 by 3 newtons. Reading of spring balance is equals to reading of spring balance is equals to 100 by 3 by g, nothing 10. 0 0 gets cancels, that is 10 by 3 kilogram is less than 6 kilogram. This is the reading of spring balance. Okay, next we'll go to the next question. Two bodies of masses 4 kilogram and 6 kilogram are attached to the ends of a string which passes over a pulley. The 4 kilogram mass is attached to the tabletop by another string. The tension in the string T2 is equals to, here we have to calculate the tension in the string T2. Now let us go to the solution. See, this is the figure, two bodies of masses, one is 4 kilogram and another is 6 kilogram is these two are attached to the ends of the string which passes over a pulley. Another 4 kilogram mass is attached to the tabletop by another string. So we have to calculate tension T2 in the string. So now let us go to the solution. T1 is equals to mg. Here, for example, this is the mass, this is T1, m1, they given as here 6 kilogram, and for block mass m2 they given as this is m1g. T1 is equals to m1 into g, so that is 6 into 10, that is equal to 60 newtons. For block of mass m2, for block of mass m2, T1 is equals to m2g plus T2, so that is equals to 60 newtons is equals to m2 nothing but 4 into 10 plus T2. Here this is a block and this is acting here T1 and T2, and this is m2 gravitational force m2g. This is m2 nothing but 4 kilogram. So T2 is equals to, we are getting 4 into 10 40, 60 minus 40, that is equals to 20 newtons. So the tension in the string T2 is equals to 20 newtons. Therefore T2 is equals to 20 newtons. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. 3 equal weights A, B and C of mass 2 kilogram each are hanging on a string passing over a fixed frictionless pulley as shown in the figure. The tension in the string connected weights B and C is. Here in this question we have to calculate tension in the string connected weights B and C. See the figure. See here, 3 equal weights of A, B and C of mass 2 kilogram. Each are hanging on the string passing over a fixed frictionless pulley. This is the figure. Now we have to calculate tension in the string connected weights B and C. Let us go to the solution. Acceleration of the system A is equals to acceleration of the system A is equals to mg plus mg minus mg by total mass. Here mg gets cancels. See here, this is here we are taking T2 and this gravitational force mg, and for this block mg, here T1 and this is also mg, and here T2. Okay, now we are calculating acceleration. So mg gets cancels. A is equals to mg by 3m. mm gets cancels. A is equals to g by 3 meters per second square. Now next we are calculating for block C. For block C, see this is the block C we are taking, and acceleration here upward force tension T1, downward force gravitational force, that is mg. So T1 is equals to m of g minus a. T1 is equals to m of g minus a, nothing but g by 3. Now taking LCM, 3g minus g by 3, that is equals to 3g minus g, 2g. So m of 2g by 3. So T1 is equals to m into 2g, 2mg by 3. Now substituting values, 2 into m nothing but 2. So therefore T1 is equals to 2 into 10 by 3. 2 2 ja 4, 4 10 ja 40. So T1 is equals to 40 by 3 newtons. This is the final answer. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. Two blocks of masses 10 kilogram and 10 gram and 30 gram are fastened to the ends of a cord which passes over a frictionless pulley. The 10-gram block rests on the table. What minimum force must be applied on the 10-gram block to keep it on the table? See this figure. Two blocks of mass, one is 10 kilogram, this is 10 kilogram, and this one is 30 gram, 10 gram and 30 gram are fastened to the ends of the cord which passes over a frictionless pulley. The 10 gram block rests on the table. See this figure. This 10 gram is rest on the table. We had to calculate minimum force required to minimum force applied on the 10-gram block to keep it on the table. Let us go to the solution. When the system is in equilibrium, T is equals to 30 gram weight. So this is here we are calculating. In this block they given as 30 gram. So 30 gram weight, gravitational force, gram force here T1. So downward force acting F here 10 gram weight. So when the system is in equilibrium, then T is equals to 30 gram weight. Consider this as equation number 1. So next T is equals to 10 gram weight plus F. Substituting this equation 1 in this, we get 30 gram weight is equals to 10 gram weight plus F. So F is equals to, we have to calculate the minimum force. F is equals to 30 minus 10, 20. So 20 gram weight. So converting into newtons, F is equals to 20 into 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3 newtons. So F is equals to, finally we are getting 20 into 10 to the power of minus 1, or this can be written as 0.2 newtons. So therefore final answer is the minimum force must be applied on the 10 gram block to keep it on the table, that is F is equals to 0.2 newtons. This is final answer. Okay. Next we will go to the next. In this question, a light string passing over a smooth light pulley connects two blocks of masses m1 and m2 vertically. If the acceleration of the system is g by 8, then the ratio of masses is, here we have to calculate a ratio of masses. See here, this is suppose we are connecting two masses m1 and m2. M1 and M2. One is here two light a light string passing over a smooth light pulley. Here we are taking M1 and this is M2. Okay, acceleration of the system A is equals to, now let us go to the solution. Acceleration of the acceleration system A is equals to M1 minus M2 by M1 plus M2 of G. Now A is equals to G, they given as G by 8. So substituting G by 8 is equals to M1 minus M2 by M1 plus M2 into G. G gets cancels. So next, now we have to calculate ratio of masses. So this can be written as M1 plus M2 by M1 minus M2 is equals to 8 by 1. 1 by 8 becomes 8 by 1. So now M1 by M2 is equals to M1 by M2 is equals to 8 plus 1 by 8 minus 1. So that is equals to ratio of two masses M1 by M2 is equals to 8 plus 1 9, 8 minus 7 7, 8 minus 1 7. So therefore final answer M1 by M2 ratio of masses M1 by M2 is equals to 9 by 7. This is the final answer. Okay, next we will go to the next question. Two masses of 4 kilogram and 5 kilogram are connected by string passing through a frictionless pulley and are kept on a frictionless table as shown in the figure. The acceleration of 5 kilogram mass is, see this figure. Here we are taking two masses, one is 4 kilogram and another is 5 kilogram, are connected by a string passing through a frictionless pulley, are kept on a frictionless table as shown figure. This is the figure. Now we have to calculate acceleration of 5 kilogram mass. Now let us go to the solution. Acceleration of 5 kilogram mass is acceleration of 5 kilogram mass is, that is A is equals to M1G by M1 plus M2. They given as M1 is equals to 5 kilogram and M2 is equals to 4 kilogram. Now substituting the values, 5 into G nothing but 10, M1 plus M2, 5 plus 4. So that implies A is equals to 5 times 50, 5 plus 4 9. So 50 by 9, it gives 5.55 meters per second square. So acceleration of 5 kilogram mass A is equals to 5.55 meters per second square. This is final answer. A is equals to 5.55 meters per second square. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.